How's it going? John from Next Key Real Estate. I've got a wonderful 3-unit. Each unit contains 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. We're right here, located in South Portland, Maine. This place is phenomenal. You got to come check it out with me. Jason, let's show them all about it. Well, I hope you like this property. It's got tremendous opportunity for the investor or an owner occupant to live in one unit and rent out the others. Reach out to me if you need any help, questions. We could set up a tour, and I'm sure we're going to get a lot of interest in this one. So appreciate it. Have a good day, and reach out if we can do anything for you.